Hey, hey, my name is Krish, and I'm going to be talking about learning objective 11.1. Rank the following mutation in terms of greatest impact to least impact on the structure and function of genes and gene products. Missense, change of amino acid. Nonsense, which changes to a stop codon. Frameshift, which changes the reading frame. And silent, where there's no change in the product. The greatest impact is frameshift mutation because it shifts the entire reading function of the gene. Since codons read in groups of 3, insertion or deletion of a nucleotide changes every amino acid. This results in a completely different and mostly non-functional protein. So as you guys could see here, there was a insertion of a C base between the G and the C nucleotide. At first, it read met arg lu sur, but now it reads met pro their stop. So the next mutation with the second greatest impact is nonsense mutation because it creates a stop codon. This cuts the protein synthesis short and usually making the protein non-functional. It only affects a sequence after the mutation, unlike frameshift, which affects the whole sequence. So as you guys could see here, the C base was turned into a G base, which first coded for pyrene, but now it codes for a stop codon. Third is missense mutation, which changes one amino acid in the protein. The substitution could have a major or a minor impact depending on how important the specific amino acid is. So for this one, we're looking at the CCC codon for pro, and this first base in the C was changed into an A, which codes for THR, and this changed the only one amino acid. And the least impactful mutation is the silent mutation. Okay, it doesn't change the amino acid sequence due to coding the same amino acid again. The protein structure remains the same and the function of the protein remains unchanged. So as we could see here, it codes for GUA originally, which codes for Val. But over here, we change the A into a T, which codes for GUU. However, it still codes for the same amino acid. So the protein function and the structure remains the same. Thank you.